A UK first, a brand new Mercedes CLA petrol hybrid secured with the Nitro Pro. It wasn't the product that achieved this, he's called Tony and he's here to demonstrate.
Here we have a brand new Mercedes CLA. This is the petrol hybrid version. A lot of people are struggling to secure these, but we have the solution. It's not the product, but it was actually down to ourselves. Being persistent, we've come up with a solution for this vehicle. So let me show you all in action. So if you try and start the vehicle, foot on the brake, the car starts and then dies. This is the immobiliser in action. So let me just reset that. So to get the ignition on, you go 3 times on the start button. This puts the full ignition on. Once you're ready, you enter your code. You get a beep, that is disarmed. Foot on the brake. Now when you start it, stays running, stays at ready. Switch the vehicle off. As soon as you open the door, double beep. The beep's a little bit faint because it's coming from the rear of the car, but it's loud enough to hear that you know it's arming and disarming. So we'll try that again. Try and start the vehicle. Starts and dies. Ignition on, enter the code. Get your disarm beep. And away you go.